Hi everybody, this is Jordan at Townsend's Designs. I'm I've got Emo Vision working again, so the video system's working. I added a bunch of features. I built a Reddit app. I implemented augmented reality. Which I'm just parsing now. Um, what else? It's built into everything that can possibly be built into legally, including any website that you want to use it on. So you can have setups and setups within setups, macro setups, overlay macro setups. Let's see if they're on augmented reality, or, or any they can utilize. That's all systems should be cross-enabled as user sees fit, including macro cleansing of UI and flattening and timing to clear from HUD based on use or user preferences. Let them customize a UI with their own builds, including wireframe drawing schematics for overlay position. Easily made with a full engineering toolset. Easily made with full engineering toolset. And other, including custom user imports and opacity, and open on vCenter of activation area over use LR define time. Okay, use LR activation area over user define time. Okay, cool. Time frames and allow them to sorry. The meds I take make me. Sorry if you hear that thrumming. It's my washing machine. It's just a bit too light. User define timeframes and allow them to optimize and customize as they see fit. Let them share their works in progress and finished files for increased for user set prices for an equal cut or weapon license it. Sorry, I need to take care of some work business. I have to make money with this bullshit. I didn't wish I had to, but I have to. Progress. User set prices for an equal cut between them and I. Include store links to printables and physicals. Including let them license it for a reasonable royalty and fee and continuous fee structure. Both make Um, help users design. Jordan, that's too much shit. Users work together publicly or payouts from a guaranteed minimum percentage each payout minus cost of business fees and sort delivery per requirements of the platform. If let them record their work processes and option to show as a live feed per their set and custom instructions. Okay, that's the last thing. That has to be the last thing. I can't afford to do it anymore. This might actually bankrupt me. Well, I'm gonna find out pretty fucking quick. I hope not. I've got like maybe less than 5 minutes until the counter rolls over again. I don't quite know. But anyway, while this is running, let me show you what it's doing right now. So yeah, I've updated this so this isn't a piece of crap anymore. I like this kind of theme. Easy to read no matter where you are. And if you turn on what is it? You know, your low light functions for your eyes, and adapt them to the day throughout. Based on your own usage, it'll get better. I'm sorry, I'm just diving in my head. So anyway, this is what it does. And sorry, this is what it does. And is it ethical? Yes, we analyze faces, expressions, and other things the same way signals humans naturally read with vision processors with the brain subset of perception systems and sensors. So we just make them visible and measurable. If you're on the platform, you should know. I don't like. It's pretty transparent that you're going to both know each other's emotions. That's the whole point of the system, right? So you can turn it on and off, and you can say don't. I might have to add in a don't measure my emotions button. No, because if you're consenting to do that for the sake of enjoyment, so, or business use, or life use to help with therapy and shit. So you can talk before you have to go to a therapist. Cut that on the fighting. And you'll actually see like when they're happy about gift ideas and like adventures and what's actually hurting and stuff, so you can help each other out a bit more. It's I made a free and open source Chrome extension. I've also built a Reddit app that lets you make money. It lets you make Reddit Gold, and then it's connected to. I'm connecting it to a back API to connect to physical and printable stores, and it's a whole ecosystem. I'm building a social media platform that you can inject into Reddit, basically. I mean, I have, so I just I can show you the very beginning and how it didn't work, but I'll show you in a sec. Let me just make sure this is... Shoot, I might be out of money. Alright, anyway. I think it's developers.dev, right? Sorry, I was checking out a riff of commentary from the Dollop guys with the seal of the Steven Seagal movie of the law. Just listening to it, it's funny. It's like a stage play, but it's radio play, but it's just banter. It's fun. What am I trying to do here? Developers. Yeah, so we need to go here. Go to the menu. Sorry, I'm gonna sniff. My nose got broken when I was a baby, and it leaks. It sucks. It's cold in here, so. Browse apps. Where's my apps? Okay, we're here. This is the old version. I couldn't get my name, so I had to do the hyphenated, so it doesn't really matter. No one really cares about that. Sorry. Freaking. Sorry, I need to get a tissue. Stupid. Sorry, I can only. My nose doesn't work. It's freaking busted. General. So what does it do? Oh, it does way more now. Okay, I have to update that. So I have to update the app. I have to go to the dev connection. I'm gonna build in a dev CLI. Fucking need that. Okay, because I need to be able to develop while I'm in Reddit. Okay. Okay. Let them get connected to any proprietary software through optimizing to current safety specs, safety parameters, and without losing any past functionalities. Goddamn, dude. My hands are fucked. Alright, this is the last thing I have to do. I just have to check that this is running first. So it's completed. I might grab this and save it. Okay, I kind of have to stop because I'm feature drifting instead of posting. So let me get it live first. That's where it's going. This is the dev system. See, my attention span resets. It's really annoying. Okay, we're gonna hit republish, and it should auto load to it because you need to be there. Because if you miss this part, it'll break. You need to do the security scan, and it'll do it'll migrate your database and all that shit. So you need to make sure you pay attention. Yeah, but it should really be like approve and publish if it's good to go, automated, or at least actionable as automated. Because it's a waste of time to press that button every single time because we've already clicked yes. It's like saying yes again. Yeah, because you would just have you'd have the attempt upload, and then upon clear, then give the option to go live in an instant instead of, and then it would just live update as you go with backdated save states. You know, basic database layering of file substructures. Oh, file trees, folder trees really. I'm sorry, I'm having a bitch of a time concentrating. Yeah, I was doing, okay, so it's loading, so whatever, it's gonna load. The visionsystem.replit.app is the API call. Feel free to use it. My goal is to make enough money to keep it running on its own and then just let it run. And then pull enough so that I can increase business output to actionables and physicals and printables with hierarchies I've already shown in the last 17 books or whatever the hell I'm on. I don't really know at this point. Emotion Vision was the original name and is the backup replit. Hardwire so that it doesn't break if in backup. And Emovision was the name that I chose because I just thought it was funny. It's like it's because it was Emotion Vision, and I couldn't get Emotion Vision, so yeah, Emovision is just funny. It's like, are you emo? It's just, I thought it was like, it's just a joke because you don't really want to be emo back in the day, but now people are embracing their emotions, so it's like you might as well learn how to read each other. It's just basically it helps you learn how to socialize, you know, without damaging people online. And I need to get all of this done. I have to back it up. Where am I going to back it up to? Okay, where are we going? Where's the menu? Okay. Anyway. Shoot, that was blank. Oh, we're writing a note. Okay. Should already get a title if it's new. Current. I don't know where I put it. Shell prompts. Oh yeah, I want to get that document off of Claude. Oops. Okay, text box. Weird. Just hit that and paste. And the paste box is empty. That's fine. Oh, copy. Back to work. Where is it? There you go. What are we doing here? So, there's that day and that day. 12:14. Not 12. So, sorry. Yeah, sorry, I'm having trouble. Sorry, the hallucinations are always here. It's very annoying. Let's okay. You guys, you just cancer. Okay, cool. All right. That's as far as I can go there. Sweet. I really want to get a measurement test. I can learn how to make that measurement better there. Okay, what's this say? Also, it's got a terrible UI connection system. They're not connected. They're static pages. There's no flow. No permanence. When you like, when you move it and the thing resets, it makes no sense. Anyway, analytics. Let's see if it's gone down. Yeah, so it has gone down at the beginning of a new hour. It was up at 12, and then I was deving, which it always falls when I'm deving. Stay connected throughout the whole thing. Crazy. Good for them. Sorry. Sorry, I hate my nose. It's annoying. It'll stop eventually when I talk and air out everything. Production database connected. That's just the work history. Don't know what those socket numbers are for. I guess that's a database. Oh, there's a break. Yeah. Anyway. Took me 4 months to make it. So not too bad for a solo dev on the first run. Learning how to make shit as they go. It's fun. Replit is freaking awesome. It just needs some optimization and a goddamn UI overhaul. And a token compression ratio reduction system so you're not paying out the ass just to use it. It's absolutely cost punitive and it's cruel. It doesn't need to be. Because they're losing massive amounts of customers doing that. Like, people just can't afford to run it. So they fail and they say, oh, I can't use it anymore. Or they try to budget and then it goes up in cost because the complexity goes up in cost and stuff like that. So it doesn't really matter. It's just something that needs to be dealt with over time. If I go this way. Sweet. What are we working on? We've done. It's just published online. We're testing the video feed. What is this? Oh, that's the Replit backup, and it broke. Cool. Oops, I'm glad I saved it. We're here in the channel. I hate that smiley face. My original design for the logo is in my feed somewhere. Let me find it. View profile. Shit. Where are we going here? Do I have a post history that I can go back? No, that's just feature bullshit. Here's the post history. Does it go all the way back? At a snail's pace. Okay. Can I search it? Can I search my name? I don't want to search my name. Oh, I know. I'll go to the Crunchbase because it has the list of all the articles. Let's see. We'll go to second company. Second company. I remember the scores. Scores don't mean shit. I was ranked 16,000 something 2 weeks ago when I was ranked third in the world on the board, and I just took 2 weeks off because I was getting tired and mentally and physically, and I just needed a break to calm down. And so it'll go back up. I mean, I was putting out stellar tech like 3 or 4 times a day. It's expensive. It's extremely expensive to do by myself. I haven't checked this in a while. Sorry, this is just helpful for me to do metric analysis because I do by 10Ks. The number of 10Ks are important. It tells you your ranking in the world. So I'm in the Western U.S. communications companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K, consumer goods companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K, business protocol automation, BPA, companies founded in the last year, biotechnology companies, top 10K, West Coast consumer goods companies, United States communities companies, top 10K, community companies with fewer than 100 points, sorry, not 100 points, 100 employees, top 10K, aerospace companies founded in the last year. Oh, I did not make top 10K, that's embarrassing. Oregon companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K. Apps companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. Wow, crazy. Oregon companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. Computer companies, wow, really? Sick. Cool. That's what I wanted to do as a kid was make tech, and computers are the coolest fucking things. Top 10K. Augmented reality companies found in the last year. Yep. Consumer goods companies. I don't know what the hell a consumer good is. I guess that's just everybody, right? Founded in the last year. Biotechnology technology companies with fewer than 1,000 employees, top 10K. Western U.S. aerospace companies, Portland companies with fewer than 1,000 employees. That's just me right now. If you know how to expand and make money, help me figure it out. Consumer goods companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. West Coast companies, Oregon companies with fewer than 10 employees. I didn't do very well there. West Coast app companies, West Coast artificial AI companies. No shit, top 10K. Oregon companies with fewer than 1,000 employees, top 10K. Artificial intelligence AI companies, top 10K. Western U.S. companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. United States companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. Good lord. Consumer good companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. Augmented reality companies in the same class as Y Combinator by the looks of it. That's lovely. And Rokid. Sick. I don't know the other two. I have to look them up. Let's have a look. Can I click that? That's not a button. Is that a button? That's a cost button. Never mind. That's dumb. These should just be SCVs with table data and graphs and interactive 4D systems. It's annoying. So where the fuck was I? I don't know. Okay, I was excited about the augmented reality companies. West Coast companies with fewer than 50K employees. The aerospace companies with fewer than 1,000 employees. Holy crap. Top 10K. That's a huge metric disparity. Okay, Delta change. It's interesting. Sorry. Western U.S. augmented reality companies, Portland companies, community companies, top 10K, augmented reality companies with fewer than 1,000 employees. Artificial intelligence companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K. West Coast companies founded in the last year. West Coast communities companies, sorry. United States augmented reality companies, aerospace companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. No shit, just because of the NASA software? That's cool. I made like computer vision systems that auto enhance through gravitational lensing. If they're layered, if they're stacked, if their frames are stacked in order, and then depth, and then tracked, and it shows you how the universe has moved in time in all directions relative to our own perceptions of our own movement. So it shows how the universe works in a very cool way if you build it into an AutoCAD pipeline. Sorry, I'm fucking about. Where was I? Aerospace companies with fewer than. Oh, that was the cool one. Biotechnology companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. Western U.S. artificial intelligence companies, top 10K. United States business process automation (BPA) companies. Oregon companies, top 10K. App companies with fewer than 50 people, top 10K. Community companies with fewer than 10 employees. I don't fuck employees. Everyone's people. Top 10K. People companies with fewer than 50 people. Portland companies with fewer than 50 people. United States biotechnology companies, top 10K. App companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. United States aerospace companies, artificial and AI companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. West Coast companies with fewer than 100 employees, top 10K. West Coast aerospace companies, computer companies founded in the last year. United States artificial AI companies, top 10K. Augmented reality companies with fewer than 50 employees. Consumer good companies with fewer than 1,000 employees, top 10K. United States computer companies. Oh, fuck, did I start over? United States computer companies. Portland private companies, business process BPA companies, aerospace companies, top 10K. Private Oregon companies, top 10K. I'm building a nonprofit. I can build a nonprofit, and once the paperwork's I can pay the utilities and eat and run the servers, and then I'm golden. And then I can just start and save money and keep investing in improving people's lives and making people money. Fuck it. I don't know what else to do. West Coast companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. Portland companies with fewer than 100 employees. No, fuck employees. It's Portland companies with fewer than 100 people. Community companies with fewer than 1,000 people, top 10K. Biotechnology companies founded in the last year. Computer companies with fewer than 10 employees, top 10K. Wow, really? That's lovely. West Coast augmented reality companies, Oregon companies founded in the last year. United States companies founded in the last year. Western U.S. biotechnology companies. Biotechnology companies with fewer than 10 people, 10K. Western U.S. companies with fewer than 10 people, 10K. Western U.S. computer companies, United States apps companies, top 10K. Biotechnology companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K. Western U.S. apps companies. Western U.S. companies founded in the last year. Apps companies, 10K. Artificial intelligence AI companies with fewer than 1,000 people, 10K. Augmented reality companies with fewer than 100 people. Artificial intelligence AI companies with fewer than 100 people, top 10K. Western U.S. companies with fewer than 50 people, top 10K. Computer companies with fewer than 1,000 people, top 10K. Computer companies with fewer than 100 people, top 10K. App companies with fewer than 1,000 people, top 10K. West Coast biotechnology. Sorry, I can't say that word very easily. Biotechnology companies, Oregon community companies, app companies founded in the last year, community companies founded in the last year, quantum computing companies. Those are so much fun. I cannot wait to show you what it built. It's going to be sick. You guys are going to freak out. It does everything. It's fucking nuts. It's really cool. It's going to be a really nice framework. Elegant, as best as I can put it, with refinement, of course, and iteration. Artificial intelligence AI companies founded last year. I need help with shit. So I have a lot of projects, and if people want to help run it, I'll just make it a repository, and people can bounty them. And then they can work together, and everyone who makes shit gets the patent, and then I'm on the patents too, as sharing the IP, and it goes into a trust that can never be broken, and then we all get paid out forever. And your beneficiaries can be left it, or auto left it, or your descendants can be auto left it, shit like that. And you can use it to cover shit. It's interesting stuff. Sorry, my nose hurts. Artificial intelligence AI companies found last year. Consumer companies, top 10K. Community companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K. Finally, we're almost done. Jesus Christ. Aerospace companies with fewer than 50 employees, top 10K. Computer companies with fewer than 50 employees, and top 10K. So I'm learning how to make a business. This is what I know how to do. I do not know how to make the money by selling the product. That's up to you guys. And so I built a new system that ran a dev in today. That's what I want to put in. Fuck. Okay. Let the user be able to divot CLI and post to their environment to upload Dev pushes. And updates with. Oh, sorry. Not just image data, it should be. I mean, it used to be called an image. Like a container data, I guess. Jordan, this is too expensive. Okay. Anyway, I have to do it. I have to see it work, but I have to make sure I get some payment first. I gotta figure that shit out. So I do not know what I'm doing. But I know so far it only needs 2 gigabytes of RAM. So that's pretty good. It's not too bad. And it's using a whatever 0.5 virtual CPU is. It doesn't actually give me a hertz or just rating. And that's connected, so now we're gonna fuck about. What was I doing before? I should wipe my nose before I am. Sorry, excuse me. Anyway, let's test the computer system, eh? And before we test the Reddit system, so we'll hit up emovision.net. Stop guessing what they're really thinking. The only video platform that shows you real-time motions during every call. See what Zoom can't. No, the free trial doesn't require a credit card. You have full access during the trial and works instantly. No downloads for guests. It is rate limited, and if you abuse it, you lose it. So don't fuck about. I need to make a living, but it goes global for free. It has like an emergency system, including like live feed, live connect, GPS telemetry, threat localization, and deterrence, so guidance to point B for safe harbor. And it lets you instantly connect to your emergency contact list, and they live come in knowing it's an emergency, and they get you to the next part if they can help. It is also designed to connect to any trusted EMS service, and I want to talk to them and update their systems for them because it's important, and they're really outdated, but they're really, really, really important. They don't need to be automated. They just need to be like streamlined and sped up so people can mesh. It's already built into the system. I built in a augmented reality HUD that's adjustable with opacity and timing delays and vision tracking system. So if you use eyes, you can set up your own UIs. It has a drawing system to make them. It has a wireframe system to implement them. I really want to connect it to Dev, so I don't have to fuck about, because it's actually really annoying. I don't want to have to go on my computer when I don't need to, because Dev CLI is super lightweight. It's just an NPM cluster, so I don't know why the fuck they're not giving that environment within Reddit to make money. Per requirements of the platform, they report their word processing options to show as a live feed per their setup and custom restrictions. Yeah. Okay, we're testing it. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself, so we'll go to the demo. Hello. Oh, it broke. Good job. Why did it break, Jordan? Fuck you. Why did you break? Okay. So it didn't connect. If I go to my own account, does it fuck? It does not fuck. It doesn't throw the right. It doesn't show me what code. Okay, that's annoying. Maybe post to the logs. Logs. Oh, holy shit. You funky bastard. What time is it? Oh, it's actively breaking. Cool. Okay, it's also actively breaking with an unknown, oh, that's not a word. Unknown gateway. Can I spell it correctly, maybe? Gateway error set. Not gateway error set. Resolve all issues with dev account with previewing all systems until iterated perfectly 100% working in all regards. I guess I fucking have this is Oh, it's not actually loaded yet. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot because I didn't read it. Oh well. What else I've made? Sorry, I haven't checked my apps in a while because they're impossible to do more than one at once. It's too expensive. It becomes insane. Like 4 figures in like a day. Those are the recent ones. Can I go to all my apps? If I know if I hit home, I can go there. Go there, apps. Making an OS, making the Omni System Builder, the Global Emergency Prediction System that I'm going to build in. It'll tell you when shit's about to happen before it happens. Like, it's going to use the earthquake systems and the hurricane systems and the flooding systems and all that shit. I just need money to put it in. What I'm doing is I'm stacking things. I'm just trying to see what was kind of working and what wasn't. That USL-Dev is the framework that built a semantic computer language system that can translate any code logic into any other without any data loss or function loss. I don't know what Flash Static Server is. It's been a while. It says it's published. This might be the actual server that's not been running in a while. I doubt this has any freaking views. Yes, back in the day I was learning what to do. Okay, it's got machine learning models in it. That's cool. Let's have a look at the preview. Yeah, this is a scripting language. And I wrote a book on it, and I tried to make it funny by putting it in Markdown, but no one, like, people just shit on everything you do. It's a fuck 'em. If you want to read it, read it. It'll teach you how to make it and do your own shit. At least a variation of it. It's just on Amazon. It's like Universal Scripting Language, 500 programming languages as a start, but you can make your own. But basically, if you wrote everything into USL, there's USLX and USLS and USL other, I think it's like USLDB or something. I can't remember. There's all sorts of like parameters you can make, and you can customize them. So you can make any kind of version compression system that you want, and I'm just fucking about with it. But that was what I made the first thing. So we can check that out if it's live. I think it's usl-lang.org. Yeah, I don't even know if it works right now. I know some of it doesn't work because I was just getting burnt out. So it might not display correctly. Let's find out. Because that's where I was having trouble. But now I can fix that because now I know what the fuck I'm doing. What should we put in here? What's generation code do? Code formatted. Source copy coded. Source code copied. And this is the transpiled output. Saved. Okay, source code links. Yeah, so if you make it out of USL, you can put it there anything. But if you make it out of USL, you can just fucking plug it into USL, it'll do anything. It interacts with any system identifier, you know. Any hierarchy, any database, any custom type. Which means you can have some fun. Because why not make some cool shit? Anyway, so the book is more important than the website right now because I haven't been able to work on the website. The book will teach you how to make shit. And it needs revision and it needs support. So if you want to read it, let me know. If you want me to torrent it, let me know because I don't give a shit. I would like to make money off of it because it was a lot of work. But just let me know. I don't fucking know what to put in here. I'll do some Python. I'm probably going to fuck it up. We'll change it to USL. So I have not coded in so long because I haven't needed to. Okay, that's the target language and that's selected. What's this? That's the clear all button. Okay, those need freaking labels. That's the transfer button. Oh, we'll just pick a file. Do I have any files on here? I must. Sorry, this was me testing the predecessor to the MetaQuest version. So I haven't actually tested the new augmented reality version, but these were the iterations that I was talking about when I was having some fun. Oh no, I wasn't trying to plug it in. Can I make it bigger? I just don't want to have a look. Oh, I have to click that button. Okay. Oh, you can put it in Moon Plus. That's cool. Yeah, fuck. That's kind of neat. Because it would always save it. And it would organize it the way I view it. Yeah, cool. Anyway, this is what I was working with the back end. Showing their emotions with an emoji in the language that you speak. Their posture, their body language, and how authentic they're being. And yeah. And then I was just testing stuff. And this was a misalignment issue. So just fucking about, and then they thought that, and then it just fucked about because then it made the average between all of them. It's like, okay, cool. See, he's upset. Anyway, I was fucking about with the menu system. I have no idea where I need to and then I was talking about with the UI system connection system, and I'm bedridden at the point, so I have no idea what you're going to see. I think that's it. Testing it in a pane, testing the menu system again, seeing that it doesn't work, getting annoyed, but getting glad that it does work. It doesn't have everyone on rotational systems, but I built in. Oh, and then it changes to a different subject. Okay, I don't know what that is. That's another project. That's probably the beginning of the quantum system that I've designed. Some of the pattern drawing pre-frame wires, pre-wireframes. Okay, I'm bored of this. What am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the PY documents. Why the fuck is it loading images? Actually, it could fuck with images, couldn't it? Oh, I drew this. Oh, god damn it. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to show off. I was really happy about it. I'm in the wrong thing. So if I go to here and I go to documents and I go to here and I go to .py and I go to click. This is all the shit I've made lately. I have no fucking idea how many things I've made. Not that many. Easy As was fun. Easy As is pretty fun. It tells you how all the markets are working in real time, so you just apply it to all different functions. So and it does run, so it just needs the stock ticker symbols for all systems installed. That's the original one. That's the fun one. That's the one that's like you can fuck about and do whatever. It predicts markets, which is cool. If you combine the right metric systems of forward feed. It also showed me which is the actual gold standard in the market, which is fascinating. It broke the market for a second, but it was cool. We'll transpile it because we know that function works. Here's what I made, and the transpile output did not appear. Auto transpile. Okay, that's annoying. It should be up there. Contains many visible characters. Disable visible highlight. That's an interesting bug. Okay. Okay, it's annoying. If I had $100, I could make this work. I know the code to put in now. I can inject it whenever, because I built a system. I built an OS that handles on any hardware, and it's like the starting OS grub was 30 kilobytes and it ran. Which I don't know if is good, but it's got variable speed, dynamic adjustment systems, and compensation and optimization systems. So it only ever uses what it needs, and it never loses functionality to past events. And it has a memory system, and it can learn, and it can teach itself, and it's all sorts of shit. I just have to just I've made all the spec points that I want to make, and then I just have to connect them. And I think I've connected them. I just haven't run the new version yet because I got distracted. That is very fucking annoying. If I hit save, does it work? Oh, it does work. Okay, and it does go to a file. Okay, we'll open it and test it. And it broke. Oh, I used to play it. Oh, God, so I rolled it back at some point. What does that do? Okay, we'll toggle theme. The book. It's stupid expensive. It's like, get Kindle Unlimited, put it on there, read the damn thing. If you want to torrent it. I do not give a shit. My books are for learning and teaching and shit. I don't give a crap. Documentation. I don't know if this is any good yet. It's syntax. Getting started. How to build. 510 plus languages. Lightning fast. So it's the display broke. If I have $5, I can fix it. Yeah, it is. Okay, and no one's connecting it, which means no one's using it. Cool. At least the UI is optimized. Just fucking sinfully ugly. Got a share function. That's good. Very fucking annoying. Okay. Okay, I'll grab the Genesis system, plug it into the USL, see if it runs it. I mean, that'd be a fun environment. So I need to go to Claude real quick. And it's also Genesis. I think it's Genesis. I searched. Nope. Cool. It says code there. Oh. Hello? What the fuck is this? Okay, whatever. Okay, we're doing the orchestration one, right? This is the beginning of it. that's an implementation system. Oh, okay. That's, wait, no. Let's deliver G9. Okay, what can I fucking do? Oh, this was the original. Is this the original? I wish I had a timestamp. It doesn't tell me. Oh, how annoying. If I click it, it's done it. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, if I just search Genesis. Nope, I couldn't do it. Oh, fuck off. Dude, it's built in there. It's a file in there, for Christ's sake. Artifacts. Okay, well, it should. What the fuck? Where are mine? Okay, don't know what that means. That should be your files. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's the space so far. I built it on Claude and OpenAI while I was still researching for them. On my own time, of course. In my own dime. Can we make an off-the-shelf? That's that enterprise. Oh wait, this is what I was building. This is actually really useful. I need this. I need this implemented, but I can't pay for it. Okay. Code. Oh, funky. Copy. It's broken, right? Yeah, it's got a 500 internal error. Oh no, was it still loading? Let's try again. Oh no, it's broken. Fuck, there's a prompt I have to put in. Oh cool, might as well optimize it and use everything I can. Got that. And I also need the, I have the Genesis element, but I have the newest one. Okay. Oh, here it is. Clicking it. Interesting. This is self-made UI. Don't know what these meant, but we'll find out. Cloud system, temporal system, coherent system, determination models. Oh, cool. What's the point of that system right there? And this is the heat. This is the worker system. View box. Vision models, resources usage. Oh, very cool. I'm about to make fucking AI. It's the AI I've been trying to build for years. Vector cloud, self, other consciousness. Yeah, because I gave it human perspective systems. So it'll learn like we do. So whatever you do, be nice to the fuckers. Code. Download that shit. That's important. Okay, it's downloading. I'll grab this. And then we'll get download as well. It's important. Okay, it's downloading, and then okay, that was Genesis, so let's say AI. Okay. Self-hosted, that's the OS. And the analytics dashboard is the metrics viewer. Anything else? I mean, fuck it, you guys want the whole universe? Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I'll handle it. Yeah, see it break. Come on, don't be broken. Don't be broken. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, come on. Can I just pull it? I cannot pull it until it loads in the UI. Okay, so it's lost itself. That's why I never read it. Yeah, no, that's where I'm working during the day. And this is where I'm having fun. Okay. Probably got no views. Oh, well. Okay, interesting. Okay. Fuck. Oh, I have to do it because it needs to work. Well, hopefully it doesn't destitute me again. Let's try. Okay, just let it run, and I need to chill out for a minute. So we have the App Center. Okay, App Center. The Omni System. What did I try here? Oh, that was expensive. Oh, cool. Well, it should go into this. I hate that fucking Jordan OS bullshit. I just... Okay. Okay. It should go into this UI. So I'm going to just pull the files from this and pull the UI. Okay. If I can get the files here. This has a download bug. Download the zip. Awesome. Yeah, completely fucking stupid. Refresh. Should auto refresh if you're connecting from a secure point. Doesn't make sense now too. Analytics, anyone touching the shit? What the fuck? That's not right. What? They're all getting views? They're not all getting views. Is this the same one? This is the same one. Oh, analytics is just everything? That's not everything. Oh, right, because I built that in. Oh, fuck, I gotta do that too. Pull. Try again. Okay, apps. Oh, good. Click the wrong button. I need to go to the file presets. So we're in the developer. The file button. Let's see here. And then we go to there's a file function somewhere. Is this one? Yeah. Sometimes this works. Sometimes it doesn't ever fucking work. It doesn't make any sense not put it. Like I have the Replit account on the device. I don't understand why I can't fuck with it. It's very, very annoying. And that's the app. It's not even fucking working. So that means that you can't download on mobile, which makes no sense. Because I want to be able to sit in a cafe and do this all day. I have shit to do. I don't want to be stuck in a goddamn house. Tied to a like 200-pound workstation. And everything's got a goddamn cloud at this point. Anyway, what are we doing? We are trying to save the files that we own. Awesome, it's not connected in any way. Guys, not okay. I know you're adding features, but you're not connecting them to the UI and running tunnels through them to make sure they run. And then stress testing them. Like, nothing is connected. It makes no sense. It's like intentions with no throughput. Okay, that's annoying. Because I know I can add files. Very annoying. Okay. I can clone it. That would just cost more money. Can I connect it into current other builds with the nodes? Just needs a visual connector. What? Now what are you waiting for? Did I fuck up? Nope. Oh, it broke. I need to read it. Okay, fuck. Working. Alright, cool. Here. Bam. Oh, good. Okay, text contact. Interesting. It broke into something. Oh, cool. Funky. It broke the API like in 2 seconds. That's very cool. It means that there's vulnerabilities that you guys need to take care of. There's injection methods available with code input, which is interesting. And it auto runs the code, so there's no safety of sandbox time dilation systems. Holy shit, there's a lot here. Okay, cool. Can't use any of it. And I can't undo. Alright. Do I have to comment it out? Probably. Let's find out. Might just need to be commented out. And it didn't finish. Fuck. That's annoying. That means I just hit a hard marker. Okay, cool. Do I hit that? Does it go to multiple? No, it does not. Does it get faster? It does not. Okay. I have my code somewhere. Which is the point, but I don't really care. Holy shit, that's a lot. Alright, yeah, where are we? Doc type. I don't know, I'm gonna select all just to make sure, and then hit delete. And delete the whole thing, right? Yeah, because I was being stupid. But I backed it up, so that's good. Paste. There we go. Now it should read it. But it did cut it off. I have to go back and get it. Which is in Claude. Which is not open. Claude. Okay. Advanced terminal. Yeah, we did that. Self-hosting, did that. No one cares. About the Crunchbase, right? Advanced multi-cam vision system. I heard that. So we grabbed. Practically Linux system. Oh, was the enterprise data board? Oh, no, it didn't finish. Oh, did it finish? It did. Alright, I've done that. Just make sure. Okay, great. Oh, yeah. I hope this doesn't blow out my account. It has to. But if I have one more push and I have to do it, I might as well get everything in at once. That's one of the builds. Anyway, I was just building shit into it. Download. We're gonna just dump all the files in and see what it makes for itself. Okay. Back to Claude. Back to the UI. Back to the UI if I can, and it's broken again. Cool. I made it new, so it just automatically loaded to the freshest version. It's annoying. Grab that. Maybe later. I want to build that for fun. I'm going to put it up on GitHub. Wait, oh, good lord, it broke again. Cool, guys. Does this use tokens to reload all the time? Was it the Vonic geometry framework? Didn't this break? No, it's all good. It's here. Go on and grab it. Alright, download button at the bottom. Okay. I don't know what else to put in here. I'm trying to fuck about. That's the wrong one. But I need that prompt. Oh, I am in email vision. Okay. Include abilities from these systems for user entertainment. Cross implementation. Okay, got that. So it's got a bunch of files. It's ready for GitHub. Alright, let's see what we've got. Okay, you have to go to over here. Documents. Should be able to go to recent now. Recent. We'll grab that and we'll grab the build production file, whatever the hell that is. Okay, cool. System purpose. The analytic system. That's the output from the system. Oh. Oh no, that's already built in. Where is Genesis? Maybe it's some other version. Bad photos. A lot of screenshots, which is bullshit. Okay, that's the last build from Genesis that I saw. I don't know. That doesn't mean the current build. Let me make sure. Select. Awesome. Cool. It times out. And it doesn't have permanent memory for the freaking files that are in cache. It's annoying. Let's pop it in and see what they're doing. Okay. Didn't finish, whatever. Screenshot, yes. So is this not a freaking div? Where is it? Where's the goddamn queue? If you click that button, it's not even showing up. What the fuck? Is it? It's something else. Is it on the ABC? Is it on the up? No, is it on here? What the fuck? Where are my parentheses? Where are my brackets? Look, if I click that, oh, it's over there. Oh, interesting. So that's a coder keyboard. That's cool. That's nice. It's just weird. Doesn't waste any space. That's cool. That doesn't work either. That's awesome. I know if I select all and paste it, it'll turn into something. Cut it. Paste it back in. Oh no, it broke it again. Oh, it broke it at a different point. Cool. That's very annoying. Now let's take a reload. Awesome. I need the prompt at the beginning at least. Oh no, it broke completely. Very cool. Do I have to select it on where it's clickable? You do. Okay. Select all and delete it. Okay. And select all. And select all. And delete it. Oh my good lord, so I have a chance. Oh, it's paginated things and it doesn't take the full pagination and select all. Okay. Oh god, this sucks. That sucks complete ass. Okay, if I go back to the UI, is it the same bullshit? I just want to call it Jordan's OS JOS. I don't know. I don't know what to fucking call it. OS names mean nothing. Let's see here. Oh no, we've already done that part. Okay, it's not uploaded correctly. Did it fail again? Okay, what were we making? Oh yeah, we're building the chat service. Okay. It should already do that. That's actually a past prompt that I've already implemented. That's a bit weird. I cached it, but didn't update it. That's just interesting. It means it caches all of them. Let me see if I've saved that. Maybe I got lucky. Sweet. Okay. Include all dimension functions usable by correlating these systems and their features and making middleware for all on. Okay, this is either going to completely fuck my build or it's going to make something very, very cool. So I can't download my files. Oh my god, okay. Let me try again. Okay, nope, it's the exit button. That's the computer button. Cool. It's just not functioning. That's awesome. Did I even make sure that was in there? Okay, yeah, that gets everyone paid forever. Cool. Include all domain functions useful in calling systems and their features and making middleware for all. With sandboxed self-healing iterations. With worker sets to safely design what is needed within legal bounds. Okay, we're gonna try it. Make sure I save this again because I'm really worried how flaky this thing is. Okay, we're gonna pop that. Go back to photos and video, which you shouldn't. Okay, I'm gonna grab the analytic system. The system purpose, the build production file, the lock universe compression system. Oh, alright, it'll break again because I have to go find that other file. Great. There is also a Genesis file with an update. Please don't break. Alright, great. Jeez, it breaks if the freaking menu comes in. It's not even supposed to be fucked by that. Okay, it's on Claude, so let me just pull it out and grab it. Let me see it. Okay, did I update it here? Because I hope I did. Yeah, sweet. Okay, so I need to click that, grab it, code, download. This is annoying, by the way. It doesn't need to go here. It breaks the flow of work. It's very annoying. It doesn't give you the option not to. Let's see here. There. Genesis engine here. Download. Let's fucking go. This is going to be cool if it works. If it doesn't, it's going to wreck my build. And I'm going to have to roll back, but the rollback will be not too painful. One more load up. Okay, that's all we need. Photos and videos. Cool, and they're available, which means they're not being sanctioned. Alright, let's go. Let me double check, make sure I have any. It's reading. Was it reading the fucking loadout? That's interesting. I didn't select all, that's interesting too. Select all. Copy. Alright, just because I've lost a lot of data, so. Update so that it runs all of the current and new systems perfectly. See what it does. We'll try and break it. We'll try and break Replit today. I might have lost the prompt. Fuck, I lost the prompt. Cool. And I do know what I just added. Alright, nice. Toss it, come back, recycle it, up again. Doesn't go back to the last worked page, it goes to a broken page. Very annoying. I better have saved that freaking load, and it did not. Okay, cool. That's why you always back it up. As you work, not as you load. It's as you work, because you can always paste into a bin. It should say files. Recents. So that's this guy. No, sorry. Files. We need this guy too. We need the engine. All right. Can I have that and that and that and that and that? Yeah, it has everything else built in. All right, cool. We'll select that. That should be 6 files. 6 files. It broke again. Fuck you. Connect, motherfucker. I'm on Wi-Fi. Come on. Come on. There we are, live. Okay, cool. That means it's okay. Or it's supposed to mean it's okay. And it's fucking not. Very annoying. Paste. What the fuck did I put in? This is a Genesis file with an update. Okay. Users rewind their live feeds by all live to track what they've been doing, or to clip a section with controls. I can't remember what I was trying to do. Okay. Implement all cross multiplex. And reducing and using the systems to make the optimal build by design. I don't know. Okay, sorry, I have to save every freaking sentence now. It's getting annoying. And it broke again. Cool. This is frustrating as hell. I mean, if I go back to the web page, is it going to load? Because I'm paying it to. Oh, that's the app. That's the app, my bad. Download section, web page. Okay, cool. Now we're connected. You motherfucker. It's stuck with this. If I open that, it'll delete it, right? No, you fucking bastards. Come on. Oh, there's a selection function. Cool. Okay. Select all. Great. There's a delete button. It loads a while sometimes. Cool. It did not find it. That's annoying. It broke it. It was very interesting. I want to select all, dude. That's all I'm trying to do. It's totally broken. This is gonna be a bitch. Alright, cool. That might be why it's not able to connect, because the it live injected the code and it wasn't contained, so it broke the database. Oh shit. That's funny. Alright, I don't know. That manual removal is annoying. Okay, now it's yelling. Okay, if I do that, and I do that, and it's still freaking lame. And okay, paste that in, and we'll hit this, and we'll upload a file. Do that. Make sure. Oh, good lord, I did it wrong again. Alright, just engine in place. Temporal vision, download it twice. I was just double checking. No point in wasting anything else in here. This is just, well, okay, it doesn't need this privacy roadmap. It needs, what happens if I do this? It broke. Motherfucker. It's not hard to connect to. Okay. I'll just wait. God damn it all. Let's see what this might be an old prompt. Okay, fuck it. I don't know what to do. I don't know why it won't let me work on my own shit. I'll delete that one. Suggest engine 2. I think I did it twice. Alright, let's try to go to that one. I need all this stuff. Oh, it was just loading it. Okay. Nope. So it's cached, but it's not actually connected. Fuck you. If I hit that button, what does it do? Nothing. In the setting systems? Okay. What's other? No, I don't want to make videos. Cross my blacks using smooth design. Okay. If I hit plan, does it help? It does not refresh it. Okay. Okay. Alright, select all. We'll just hit cut because I'm annoyed. I'm gonna try and reload this one last time. I'm going to do the documents first in one go. It breaks there. That's where it fucking breaks right now, so. Okay, and that, and that, and that. I want to build the, just build, do you want the system or do you want the specs? Okay. We'll want that later. Okay, it breaks exactly. It says it's connected. Okay. Did not load. Build, motherfucker, build. I'll just upload the, like, if I can upload 2 of them, it'll work. I just need the Genesis engine and the temporal vision system. I want to go on system purpose. I don't fucking know. Nope, broke again. Maybe they're just uploading. It says it's connected again. Okay, let me pop it. Okay. Okay, I'll do the text, it doesn't matter. I can't do the files yet, it's not letting me. I'll have to build it manually even with my own LLM, which is fine, fuck it. Let's see, maybe I can just get this done. Yep, it'll do text just fine. There's a text limit, so it breaks. Oh yeah. I wonder how my friend's doing. I'm gonna take a break, see how my friend's doing. Hopefully this is more interesting. This is what deving is like now. It's fun. It's currently not working, but it'll work. I hope I put in the content. I did not say fix shit. Oh, whatever. Huh. Okay. It'll either bankrupt me or it won't. We'll find out. So good luck. I hope it runs and lets me pay for it in a little bit instead of slamming with the bill straight away. It says it'll go until the end of the month, and then it'll be like, no, I mean tomorrow. And it's like, what? Usually, like with B2B, it's like, there's a loss leader so that the business can actually operate with the equipment that you're using to make the money to run the equipment. It makes no sense. Anyway, I'm gonna let this run. Just stop for a second. Wrong system. Click the timer button. Alright. Thanks for hanging out. This is Jordan Townsend's Designs LLC, part of Townsend's Innovations. Yeah, let me know how you want to make a nonprofit that goes global and helps people for free when they're in need. Subsidized by whoever needs to help, so they get a cut of everything they make, indefinite, and it's self-sustaining with a circular trust system. And all the business plans have been started. I just need to know how to implement them. So I just need to know where to improve them and how to implement them. And then, like, everyone gets paid when we start making money. And it's like, when I make money, I can start paying other people. You know? Because I just want to make jobs and give people, like, the next renaissance if I can. Alright, I need to stop. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was easier to handle.